Hey guys, it's William and Chad with Above Ground Pros. We wanted to hop on real quick and make a little quick video, a little pro tip for all of our new pool owners and existing pool owners. We're getting to, middle of the summer. We're going to have to be checking our cells, inspecting our cells. Let me show you a pro tip. You see this right here? It's O-ring lube. It's a silicone lubricant. When you take these collars off right here to inspect your cell, you take this lube and you rub it on the threads before you put it back on. It's going to save you a lot of headache when you have to inspect your cell again. Yeah, so I'm going to put it on my finger, and then I'm going to take and I'm going to rub each thread of my salt cell all the way around. And then I'm going to come over here and do the same thing where you take and you put a little bit on and you rub it all the way around. Now, when you take this collar off and on to inspect your cell, clean it, or anything, it's going to make it way easier each time to come off and on. And here's the deal, guys. William is the best looking Above Ground Pros guy. You know it, I know it. Just let everybody else know it.